The best way to make children good is to make them happy. The first happiness of a child is to know that he is loved. Children are not things to be molded, but are people to be unfolded. Children are likely to live up to what you believe of them. Children are the world's most valuable resources and its best hope for the future. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Spending time with children is more important than spending money on children. Children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.